Today our topic is coordinate geometry. What do you mean by coordinate geometry? How it came? For example, suppose you are going somewhere in a relative's place and you don't know the address. Then what you will do? You will ask your friends or relatives to reach at his home. Then he will tell you will come to the square of four roads at different sides and you will start moving straight for 1 kilometer, and from there you will start move right side of 1 kilometer or 1.5 kilometer. Okay, then the shop near that place or near the school is the friend's house. So here two things we have kept in mind, that is what straight way, another one is right side way. So two things here, basic things we got. Same way, coordinate geometry also, if a point is there and one imaginary axis, two axes, this point distance from this axis and this axis, that is, for example, this one is 1 and this one is 2, then these two values are represented by x coordinate and y coordinate is called the coordinate geometry or Cartesian plane. What do you mean by Cartesian plane? The French mathematician and or philosopher in 17th century, he has given the concept of the plane or quadrant or these all the axes. That one is called the Cartesian system or coordinate geometry. So here this is what Cartesian plane. It may be any plane where the coordinate axes are there. It may be notebook, it may be plane of the board, or it may be the plane of the notebook or textbook. That is what plane or Cartesian plane. This is the plane. So you know number line. First I will take this number line, and we know number line has in equal distance the positive integers, also the negative integers. So this one will be the x-axis and this one will be the x prime or x dash axis. So right side all the positive integers we can present, or positive values we can present. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side 0, then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. All are in equal distance. Now this is the horizontal axis, that is what x-axis. This one is x-axis. Now y-axis from 0 so all the positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive integers offside. This is a vertical line. This one is y, this one is y dash or y prime. So this is y-axis. Now this one is the 0. Starting from 0 to upwards all are positive, downwards all are negative. Right side positive, left side negative. So here also you can equal distance all the negative integers downwards. That is what 1, -1, 2, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. So here this plane has divided into 4 parts, right, or 4 divided into 4 parts of the plane. This is what first one, this one is second one, this one is third one, and this is fourth one. Here these parts are called quadrant. They are called what? Quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. It means the Cartesian plane has divided into 4 equal parts. This Cartesian plane has divided into 4 quadrants: first, second, third, fourth. Now any point here on the first quadrant, for example this one is P, right? Now here question is that the distance of the P point from y-axis, that means this is the distance, or this one also will be the distance. The distance from y-axis on the x-axis, that is what? 5. Up to here it is from 0 to it is 5 at the distance 5. So this one is 5, or 5 on the x-axis from y-axis. Now the distance of the point P from x-axis, that means from here, or we can say here to here, that is, this is the distance. So this distance and this distance both are what? Equal. So here it is 4. So this one also what? 4. So P point is at the distance from x-axis. From x-axis it is how much? 4. That is what y coordinate. And from the x-axis, from the y-axis it is how much? 5. So 5 is called the x coordinate and 4 is called the y coordinate. See properly again. Here P point from x-axis, that is how much? 4. So the measurement is on y. Okay, from axis means on y. So y coordinate is how much? 4. From y-axis, that is what? From this is y-axis, from here to here it is the 5. So on x-axis the measurement has written already, that is what? 5. So on the x-axis it is 5. From the y-axis, on the y-axis it is 4. So this is called x coordinate, this is called y coordinate. X coordinate means from y-axis, y coordinate means from x-axis. X coordinate will lie on the x-axis, y coordinate will lie on the y-axis, right? So these 2 points having the measurements, that is 5 and 4. So 5 is called the x coordinate or 4 is called the y coordinate, or we can say in this way, the distance from y-axis called the x coordinate, that is what? f(c)(r). It is given by the name f(c)(r). X coordinate or the distance from y, or it is called the f(c)(r). Now 4 means it is y coordinate. Y coordinate means from axis the distance, that is how much? 4. So on the y-axis it is 4. So 4 is called the y coordinate or only ordinate, or we can say the distance from x-axis of the point, right? So this is what x coordinate and y coordinate. Now here if you will see, this is the origin, because here only it starts everything, right? Horizontal line or vertical line. In the horizontal line all the positive numbers are starting from 0, that is 1 2 3 4 5, left side from 0, -1 -2 -3 -4, like this. Upwards on vertical line, that is from 0 1 2 3 4 5, like this. And from 0 downwards on y-axis vertical line, that is what? -1 -2 -3 -4, like this starts, right? So this is the way. This one is 1 only, right? So this is the coordinate point or value of P. It can be written as 5 and 4. The first value is called the x coordinate, second value is called the y coordinate. So this is the value of the P, or we can say coordinates of a P. Coordinates means in this y coordinate and x coordinates also available. Let's consider another point Q lie on the 4th quadrant. Now we will find the coordinates of a Q point. So here first we will see what do you mean by x coordinate and what is the y coordinate. First one is the x coordinate. Now x coordinate means the distance of the point Q from y axis. From y axis this much, that means this is, so from y axis this is the distance from y axis, this is the distance from y axis. So this measurement will lie on x axis, that means how much? It is 4, right? So x coordinate is what? 4. Now y coordinate we will find out. Y coordinate means the distance of Q from x axis. From x axis is what? This one. So this one is how much? Here it is -5. So this one is also -5. This is the distance -5 because this is -5. So this one also -5. -5 means this is the distance from x axis, that is what? Y coordinate. So this is what? -5. So the coordinate of x is what? Q is what? 4 and -5. If you will see here the value of the quadrant, here in the first quadrant the x coordinate also positive, the y coordinate also positive. So value of the point in first quadrant will be positive, positive. Second quadrant, x quadrant will be what? Negative. Y coordinate will be what? Positive. So minus and plus. In third quadrant, x coordinate will be what? Minus, negative, and y coordinate will be what? In negative. So minus and minus. Now in the fourth quadrant, x coordinate will be positive, y coordinate will be negative. So here plus and minus. So these are the values of the different positions or points in the fourth different quadrants. Here I am going to teach you the graphical presentation of a linear equation. Let's take one linear equation is 2x minus y equals to 0. Here it is linear equation in two variables, that is x and y, and power is 1, that is why it is linear. Now I am going to put this presentation on the graph. How to put? So here first we will find the here it is y, it is x, or we can say value of x and value of y. Then the coordinates will be what? X and y. X and y. Now we can solve this equation like this. 2x minus y equals to 0. We will simplify this one, or we will make into small form. That is what? 2x equals to y, or implies we can say y equals to 2x. If we will put different value of x, then we will get the different value of y. Now let's take x equals to 1, x equals to 0, x equals to minus 1, x equals to 2. 3 different values we can take. Now if we take x equals to 1, here I will put the value of x, then 2 1s are 2, so y value will be 2. X equals to 0, then 2 0s are 0, we can say like this, y equals to 2x, then 2 multiplied by 1, that is what? 2, so y become 2. Y equals to 2x, in the place of x we can take 0, so 0, therefore y equals to 0. Then we can take minus 1, then it will be minus 2, this one will be 2. Y equals to 2x, 2 multiplied by 2, so 2 to the 4, this one will be what? 4. So here the coordinates will be in pair 1 and 2, 0 0, minus 1 minus 2, this one and 2 and 4. So these coordinates we can plot on the graph like this is x-axis, this one is y-axis, this one is the origin O. Now here all the positives 1 2 3 4 5 6, this side all are negative, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, like this. Offside all are positive 1 2 3 4 5, bottom side downside it is negative, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5, like this. Now first one is take point A, then B, C, D. Now F coordinates 1 and 2. So on x-axis 1, y-axis 2. X-axis this one, that means from the distance y, that is what? 1 here. On y-axis 2, so y-axis 2, so this is the point A, that is what? 1 and 2. Now B point 0 and 0, so this is x-axis also 0, y-axis also 0, so this point is what? B. Now C point is minus 1 minus 2, on x-axis minus 1, this is minus 1, y-axis minus 2, so this is minus 2, so this is the point, that is what, C, minus 1 minus 2. Now D, 2 and 4, on x-axis 2, y-axis 4, so this one will come here, we can join here, this one is D, 2 and 4. Now see here, all the 4 points are in one line, or we can say they are what, linear, collinear. This is A, B, C and D. If you join all the 4 points, then they will form one line, right? So this A, B, C and D, that is what, 0 and 0, minus 1 minus 2, 2 and 4 are collinear. They will lie on one line. If some point is outside diverting from the line, that means you will think the solution you have done or simplification you have done of the equation is wrong. Otherwise you have calculated, or whatever values you have taken, here something you have done wrong. This is what mistake we can find out. Or we can put the linear equation graphically on these 4 quadrants or on the Cartesian plane.